Guys, in this video, we will be learning Lambda functions in Python. In Python, a Lambda function is a special type of function without the function name. Lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. We use Lambda keyword instead of def to create a Lambda function. We are using def keyword to create function, okay, but for Lambda functions, we'll be using Lambda keyword, right? Lambda functions are known as anonymous function, okay? Now the question comes, what is Lambda argument and what is expression? The arguments is any value passed to the Lambda function, okay? Because Lambda function is an anonymous function, it can accept argument as well, right? What is expression? Expression is the right part of the Lambda, right? Wherein we can define like a plus b, we can define, right? We can check a equals to b. This type of things are called expressions, okay?
So let me take one variable x and keyword lambda. There we need to pass one argument, let's say variable 1, var 1 plus 100. Okay, so this is my expression, right? And this is the argument. Okay, this is the lambda, and this is called as a anonymous function which has no name. Okay, how to call this anonymous function? Lambda function, we can pass on any value here. Let's print this program. You see 100 plus 26 is 126. You see, it is very simple. Let's say we want to create one anonymous method which will be accepting two parameters and give us the addition of two numbers. Let's see how it works. So let me name it addition. Okay, then we say lambda args1, then we say args2, that means argument 1, argument 2, then colon, we say argument 1 plus argument 2. Then what we have to do? We have to print the return. Oh, it will not work because we have just printed the lambda function. We have not passed any argument. This is a lambda and this is the memory address where this is presenting at. Okay, to sum two numbers, let's see 10 then 20. Okay, let's run it. You see the sum is 30. Okay, so this is called a anonymous function, is known as lambda functions. Okay, now let's see lambda with filter function. Okay, what is that? This filter function actually comes from the iterable types like list, sets, tuple, series. Okay, how to do it? I have a list like 2, 4, 6. What is our requirement is we want to get those elements which are greater than 100. Okay, we will be using a filter method, okay, wherein we will be passing a lambda. One item will be passing as an argument, let's say x, then colon, then we are checking now if the item greater than 100, then only it will print. Okay, so here this is what we need, and we will store this filtered item in some other list. Now what we want to just traverse the new list. Let's see how we will do it. We need to use the for loop here. Okay, let's take x in list new, and we have to print x. Let's see how it will work. A new line /n. Okay, let's print out. Okay, you see only 115 and 344 items are printed because we have set the criteria whether item is greater than 100, then only this will be filtered, and this is the output.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.